the damn shorts. One of my clients asked me the other day, how do I feel confident enough to wear shorts in the gym? And what you have to remember is confidence comes from doing things that make you fearful, or there's this weird feeling that you get when you do it. When I started my fitness journey, and bear in mind this is when I had an eating disorder, so I was at my smallest, I was very, very petite. I wouldn't wear shorts because I was so concerned with my thighs or what I thought other people thought of me. I thought they were staring at me in the gym. I thought my self-worth would go down when I wore shorts. I just felt really horrible, and this stopped me from wearing them. So if you stop doing it, the confidence isn't going to build. You have to remember you are on your own journey, and sometimes that journey involves doing things that make you feel a little bit uncomfortable. I feel strong, I feel powerful, and I do feel a massive boost of confidence when I wear shorts now, because no one is judging me, no one is judging you. It doesn't matter who you are, how long you've been on your fitness journey. You could be on your fitness journey 10 years and still not like wearing shorts. It doesn't matter. Don't compare yourself to other people. Wear the damn shorts.